How to delete your Facebook account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application. Then go to the menu bar from your top right corner. Now scroll down and then go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. Now go to Account Center. After that, go to Personal Details. Now go to Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation and Deletion. Select your Facebook account. After that, select Delete Account. Remember that deactivating your account is temporary, but deleting your account is permanent. So if you are sure and you want to delete your Facebook account, tap on Delete Account, confirm deleting account, and also know that your Facebook page linked with that account will also be deleted. Tap on Continue, select a reason to delete, and then confirm deletion. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.